What if you could swap any face in almost any type of media, whether it's a photo, GIF, TIFF, or even a full-length video with just a few clicks? Meet NeoRefacer, an open-source AI face-swapping tool built to transform digital identities faster than ever. Whether you're creating content, experimenting with AI, or producing visual effects, NeoRefacer lets you reface and reimagine your media with impressive speed and quality. In today's video, I'll show you how to install NeoRefacer, set it up on your PC, and walk you through its features step by step so you can start creating AI face swaps locally. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest AI tools, tutorials, and free open source projects. Let's get started and install NeoRefacer on your system with full CUDA support. Click on the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of NeoRefacer. You can read its documentations and everything you need to know about this tool from here. To install, you need at least 3 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows, Python 3.10.11. I will put dependencies installation playlist in description. Once you're ready on this main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone NeoRefacer. After clone, type cd and go to clone folder and copy its path. Paste in command window. Now you are inside clone folder. Create venv using Python 3.10. Now activate venv. Before installing PyTorch, make sure CUDA Toolkit is installed and what version it is. To install PyTorch, go to main page of it and copy code for your CUDA version. If you don't find your CUDA version, just copy any code and paste in command window. CU126 represent CUDA Toolkit 12.8 for 11.6 it's 116 and for 12.8 it's 128. Also add torch audio before installing PyTorch. After PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements GPU file. Change NumPy version. Change ONGS runtime GPU ver if your CUDA toolkit is 11.8. Now save requirements file, then go to command window and run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run main code. Running this first time will download models. When you see a local URL, copy it with Ctrl+C and paste in any browser to launch NeoRefacer. To use it again, avoiding running all codes again, go to main folder and create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now you can use this anytime, double-clicking this run file. To use for pictures, first upload target picture. At bottom, upload face picture. Click Reface image. This tool auto-enhance face. For GIFs, choose GIF option and first upload GIF. Now upload face picture and click Reface GIF. I hope this tutorial helped you get NeoRefacer up and running and showed you just how powerful it is for face swapping across images, GIFs, TIFFs, and full-length videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future AI tutorials, free open source tools, and the latest updates. If you have any questions or run into any issues during installation, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!